Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the really weird looking Kingpin from the movie Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and his face is gonna be pretty small compared to his body. So we're gonna keep the face really simple. We're gonna start out with his mean eyebrow first. So you just start out with two slants going up. And then from there, I'm just gonna give it a little bit of thickness. I'm just gonna go from the corner, just gonna go up, and just come back down. I know it's kind of hard to see. All right, so it's just like a little mark. And then from there, for his eyes, just right below it, just draw one little line across. And then we're gonna draw in the eyeball. So right below the line, just add kind of like a half circle. Alright, so very cartoony. And then from there, we're gonna draw his nose, so it's right in the middle. Just a little curve. And then for his mouth, we're gonna give him like a really mean grin. So first we're gonna draw in almost like a sad face first. And on the corner, just kind of go up. And then from that point here, just kind of curve it back into the lip. So it makes it look like he's doing like a really mean face, right? And then for the just a little bit of detail on the bottom here, just one little line for the lower lip on the bottom. Okay, so that's pretty much for his face. So now let's draw in the head. So for his head, it's gonna be really wide, so it's gonna be one big dome shape. So just come out all the way across here, and you can almost make like two little dots first. And then we're just gonna draw in pretty much a dome shape all the way around. Okay, and then once we have that, we're gonna draw in the bottom one, and it's gonna be, yeah, just come down a little bit straight on the side here, because it's gonna be his collar on his suit. And then once we get around there, just kind of close it off with a curve. All right, and if you want to add in a little bit of detail right here, he's got double chin right here. And then on the side here, we can add just a little bit of mark here, just for his cheeks. Alright, so that's his head, and let's draw in his awesome looking body and suit. So his suit is actually really easy. Just kind of you can come down first. You can make a little mark right in the middle. And then from here, just go from the side. Just draw in basically like a triangle or like a V shape. Alright, and then for the inside, we're gonna draw the shirt first. So go back to the middle. Just slant it out. This is gonna be his collar. Okay, and then for his tie, just come down slightly, draw a little line, and then this is gonna go under the collar. So this is gonna be the knot. And then from here, just kind of go down. That's gonna be the tie. Yeah, really simple. And then now for the collar on his suit. So just come to the side here, and you can just draw in like a little angle like this first. It's a lot easier to draw it this way. Okay, so once you have these little angles, now for the top, just kind of curve it behind the head. Okay, just close that off. And then for the bottom here, we're just gonna go back to the middle. So that's gonna be a suit collar. All right, so now let's draw in the body, which is gonna be really weird, right? So now just go out more to the side, and you can try to make two little dots. Or you can just kind of draw in one big curve. Just go ahead, and it doesn't have to be exactly the same or symmetrical. So once you have his, that's gonna be his like its shoulders. Go back to the middle. For his suit, we're gonna come down, and then just draw in a line across, shorter than this one. It's gonna be right around here. Okay, so that's gonna be the bottom of his suit, and then now we're just gonna connect it. So we're gonna go down, just kind of connect those points, those ends. And then to finish off the suit, we're just gonna draw in two buttons. So one on top here, and then one more on the bottom. All right, so for this figure, let's finish up his legs first, since we're gonna continue on with this line here. So for this one, we're just gonna continue that slant. And then go back to the middle, draw a little line. And then now we're gonna curve this all the way down to this point here, and then just close it off. So curve down, close it off. And then for his shoes, really simple, just come down, and this one's gonna slant out, and just close it. Okay, so come down, slant out, and then just close it. All right, yeah, very funny looking legs. So now let's go back up to his arms, and he's got really big arms. So come right around here. This is gonna be his armpit area. So I'm just gonna draw in one line going out. And then right here, we're gonna start on the top here, just kind of curve down. That's gonna be his elbow. Now we're gonna come down and then come back up here. Just come down, this is gonna be his lower arm. So close it off. And then his fist is gonna be pretty small, so just kind of draw in two lines like this coming out. Close it. And then one little line here for the thumb. Okay, so same thing on the other side. So here's the armpit, come across. And then we'll continue with this line here. All the way down. Here's the elbow, and then now we come down. And come back up here. Come down and then close it. And then same thing for his fist. Just drawing one slant going this way and slightly longer coming down. And then we'll close that off. And one little line again. And that is it for this very cool and uniquely designed Kingpin from the Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse movie. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.